it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got quite possibly one of the largest horizontal packages of instant noodles I've ever seen. From India, this is Smith & Jones very, very tasty masala noodles. 8 packs in one of these. It's nuts. It's huge. It's huge. So we're going to make a pack of Smith & Jones very, very tasty masala noodles. 250 mils of water. So here we go. One block of noodles. I'm going to use one of 8 sachets. Come on, let go. Of seasoning base. Come on now. They call these seasoning bases, they call them taste makers. Place the taste maker sachet in this stuff. Wow, everything 3 minutes again today. What the heck? Waiting around for 3 minutes over and over and over. Here we go. But I hope you're having a wonderful escapade in the world of your today. Better be good. God, people keep messaging me. Bing, bing, bing. It's going off of my Bluetooth. I don't know if you can hear it. If you can, I apologize for the disruption. And now you can see that the noodles are cooking. Something you enjoy, I've been told. Come on, get out of the way. Come on, Rotato. Maybe that's a little better. Yeah, I've never heard this brand. Smith & Jones. Had a little accident, a little poo-poo on the stove. On the hob, as the Brits would say. They would. But yeah, it's just this long, and then boom, we're gonna have noodles, and it's gonna be all Indian style. Black cardamom, that is the way. I'm telling you what. Important. I'm just waiting to find out that my kid gets to ride the bus. I know she will, but all this waiting around has gotten me cranky. It's cloudy. I don't know that it's not raining today. I mean, it looks just straight up miserable outside. And it was hot this weekend. It got into the 80s Saturday and Sunday. Now it's Monday and it's in the mid-60s, I'm guessing. And then we're supposed to possibly get thunderstorms tonight, maybe tomorrow. Because next weekend it might get warm again. I don't know. But we're definitely leaning forward into fall. And I'm guessing you're, getting close to February for this episode. So yeah, we are seasonally not in the same deal. That's what happens when you get 200 reviews ahead. When you're me. This doesn't look right. Usually they're like thick. I'll say one thing, it's hot. Yeah, 250 mils of water, they said. That's what they said. They said that. Wait, did they say that? Do I have to make this again? Where's the thing? Simple directions. 250 mils of water, and that's what I put in there. So, yeah, this just seems very soupy for a Indian variety. I like it when it comes out like gravy. The oats one I had the other day, that was wow. Alright, here is our noodle. It smells like masala. Very mild. And very good. A little bit of heat. That's good. That's good. It's good. I don't know what else do you want from me. It's good. Buy it. If you're me and you have the same taste buds that I do. I think someone of Indian descent might have a better kind of dissertation on the flavor. Oh. Yeah. Got some little peppers here. Mean little peppers. I'll tell you what's up. So watch, I'll ask them. Hey, Peppers. Yeah. What's up? Oh, we don't know. Oh, wait, we were supposed to tell the nice people what's up. Oh, we're kind of busy right now. Okay. Yeah. I've been really getting into Indian food lately, especially curry. It'd be nice if I had the right stuff to go along with this, but this is what I got. That, I mean, I could put some black cardamom in there, but I don't think so. Can put some crushed red pepper. I could put sesame seed, but I think that would be incredibly wrong of me to do. I will leave it at this. Yeah, this is good. I like this. Whoa, whoa. See how the center wants to move around? It's like I need it in the right spot, but I'm not. I don't know. That's it for today. Cool. enjoyed the beautiful salient sounds of me getting dishes into the dishwasher, and they will be cooking soon and being cleaned for the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. God, look at this thing. Like and subscribe. And, the more people that do that and comment and add info and interact with my channel, the more it will show up in people's feeds. And the more that happens, the more people will get to enjoy what you have to say and what I have to say and learn more about instant noodles and a lot of other junk. So, do it. That'd be cool, right? Anyways, yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.